Guys, I have found the perfect solution for skin thinning. It is natural, simple, and incredibly inexpensive. If you've been dealing with thinning, fragile skin, this might be exactly what you need to bring back your skin's strength and elasticity without having to spend thousands of dollars. It's none other than sweet almond oil. It can help restore your skin's strength and elasticity, all for just $10 or maybe even less. In this video, I will explain how exactly almond oil works on your skin, what are the benefits, and how you can simply incorporate almond oil into your skincare routine. I will also reveal a bonus tip to get some extra benefits. So let's start. I know what you're thinking. How can something so simple be so powerful? With everyone talking about microneedling, Botox, fillers, and other pricey treatments, it's easy to forget about natural remedies. Sure, those cosmetic procedures offer quick results, but which one is really better, microneedling or Botox? I've already covered them in my previous video, so you can check it by clicking the card in the right top corner of your screen. But for now, let's get back to the almond oil. Trust me, almond oil might just be what your skin needs to regain its thickness and strength. Sweet almond oil has been used for centuries in skincare because of its nourishing and restorative properties. But before we get into how it actually does that, let's take a look at what makes almond oil so special. Sweet almond oil is packed with vitamin E and omega fatty acids, which are great for helping your skin heal and stay healthy. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that protects your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These are the main reasons behind collagen loss. By fighting off these harmful molecules, vitamin E helps your skin stay firm and thick. Omega-3 fatty acids, on the other hand, help repair your skin's barrier, keeping moisture in and irritants out. A stronger skin barrier means more hydration, which is key for keeping your skin looking plump and youthful. Almond oil also has vitamin A, which is a natural form of retinol. This helps speed up the shedding of old skin cells, allowing new, fresh skin to take their place. Over time, this can smooth out rough patches, even out skin tone, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. What makes almond oil's retinol special is that it's much gentler than synthetic retinoids, which can sometimes cause dryness and irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it perfect for sensitive skin, giving you all the benefits without the harsh side effects. How to use almond oil to fix thinning skin. Now that you know the benefits, let's get into how to actually use almond oil to target thinning skin. Incorporating this oil into your routine is super simple. Step 1. Cleanse your face. The first step in any good skincare routine is cleansing. Before applying almond oil, your skin must be clean and free from impurities like dirt, makeup, and pollutants. If you skip this step, the oils won't be able to properly penetrate your skin, and you could even end up trapping dirt and oils underneath the surface, leading to breakouts or irritation. Use your favorite gentle cleanser with warm water to clean your face thoroughly. Once done, pat your skin dry with a soft towel, leaving it slightly damp to help with the oil absorption. Step 2. Use just a few drops. Almond oil is lightweight and spreads easily, so you really don't need a lot. A few drops, about 2 to 3, should be enough for your entire face and neck. Put a few drops into the palm of your hand, rub your hands together to warm up the oil slightly. Warming the oil will not only help it absorb better into your skin, but also feel more soothing during application. Step 3. Gently massage into the skin. Take your warm hands and gently press the oil into your face. Start with the areas that feel the most fragile or thin. These are usually around the eyes, cheeks, or neck. Use upward circular motions as you massage the oil into your skin. The gentle massage can help stimulate blood flow, which promotes better absorption. Be gentle, especially around the delicate areas near your eyes, where the skin is naturally thinner and more prone to fine lines. Step 4. Let it absorb. One of the best things about almond oil is that it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue behind. After massaging it in, let the oil sit for a couple of minutes. You'll notice that your skin will soak it up without feeling heavy or sticky. Because of its lightweight nature, almond oil is versatile. You can use it both morning and night. If you're applying it in the morning, let it absorb fully before applying sunscreen or makeup. In the evening, use it as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. And the best part about this is it's under $10. You don't need to spend hundreds on creams, serums, or treatments. A small bottle of pure, high-quality almond oil costs less than $10 and can last you months. Plus, because it's so versatile, you can use it for other things, like your hair and nails, and even as a makeup remover. Now, here's a bonus tip. You can combine almond oil with other products. For example, after applying the oil, layer a hyaluronic acid serum on top to lock in moisture. Or if you have very dry skin, you can mix a couple of drops of almond oil into your favorite night cream for added hydration. Also, if you're looking to target specific issues like dark circles, you can apply a slightly thicker layer of almond oil around your eyes before bed and leave it on overnight as an eye treatment. This not only nourishes the delicate skin, but can also help brighten and smooth fine lines over time. Like with any skincare product, you won't see instant overnight results, but with consistent use over time, almond oil will help your skin regain its resilience and thickness. You'll start to notice that your skin will start to feel more bouncy and less fragile. Before we end this video, let's talk about some popular and trusted brands you can try. Number 1, Essentially Kate's Almond Oil. This brand focuses on offering pure, cold-pressed, sweet almond oil, which is ideal for both skincare and hair care. The cold pressing process helps retain the oil's natural vitamins and antioxidants, making it especially beneficial for nourishing, thinning skin. It's also free from synthetic additives, ensuring that you're applying pure almond oil directly to your skin. And the best part? It's only $8.90. Number 2, another great option is Majestic Pure's Organic Sweet Almond Oil, which is only $9.99, and it's 100% pure and natural cold-pressed sweet almond oil. You can use it for skin, face, hair, and even massage it over your scalp. It's moisturizing and has a natural fragrance. Number 3, you can also try out these other brands, which are all under $10. These brands are known for their high-quality almond oils that are both effective and budget-friendly. So when you're just starting out or looking for a trusted brand, these options will definitely give your skin that glow without costing a fortune. So if you've been feeling frustrated with thinning skin, now's the time to take action. This simple, affordable solution can be exactly what your skin needs to bounce back. But here's something even more exciting. Skincare doesn't have to break the bank. Have you heard about CeraVe? We've heard the hype, but does it live up to the claims, especially for thinning or aging skin? Check out this video, which is popping up on your screen right now. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more affordable solutions to common skincare problems. See you in the next video. Bye!